Okay, hi Shields people. We are actually here at our own factory today. VSCH Incorporated, a local general contractor, has graciously dropped off his brand new Kubota SVL inside, and they are taking the glass out, and we are going to install our polycarbonate replacement windshield, and we're going to show you just how to do it step for step so that when you get your polycarbonate replacement window, it'll be an easy install. So this is the window that we're going to put in the Kubota SVL inside. So we wanted to show you guys real quickly. This is exactly what you're going to get when you get a windshield from us. So we've got our install instruction manual here, and this shows that our milled side. So right here on the top, we've got our windows milled, and that's because it's 1/2 inch and it's going to fit the milled side goes outside, so away from the operator. So this fits into your gasket. You've got your top handle holes here, your bottom handle holes, your wiper holes are over here. So everything that you need is right there. On the back, because SVLs are glued in, we have a strip right here that our coating has been removed. So it'll stick to your glue, whatever glue, if you use tape or urethane, whatever you're choosing, will go right there. So you'll be able to glue it in. It'll fit perfectly in your mount with the gasket with our milling. So this is what it's gonna be, and we're gonna go put it in the Kubota right now.